My people, heading to Jamaica for the Christmas. It was all a dream. Please watch to the end.
Mommy,
Yeah.
yeah, I was the chocolate. Well, is the best. I like Ronaldo.
Zuri,
Yeah.
you just can't be still and keep quiet, right? Please. I'm just so happy right now to be home, getting a break from the ice box, the minus 30 degrees Celsius and the minus 40 degrees Celsius. Yo, me happy, me happy, me happy. Jamaica at last. A break from the ice. Where? Y'all trouble. Trouble.
We also invite all those passengers that help taking their carry-on bags, please. You can bring one as well.
Rashard Collins, that's Rashard Collins. You're the only customer missing from this flight in your aircraft is ready for the on-time departure. Please hold your service now using gate number 5.
No.
Notice that 1928 is service into Atlanta Station for the customers Herman Glover, London Baker, Nicole McLeish, Tammy
Let me
Jones,
go.
Deja Johnson, Andrew
What's wrong with you guys?
Satisha Sorrell,
I'm
and
trying to
Tina
let me
Purford.
go.
Please engage here at gate number 9.
Sit down, sit down. Stop, stop.
Paging and following the instructing on Spirit Flight 270 with service into Fort Lauderdale, party of 2 Bob, Matthew and Tammy, party of 2
Zuri.
No, you have to say, hey guys, this is my daughter
Oh.
doing exercising.
Hey guys, this is my daughter Yuzuri exercising. And this little child, I don't know how she love exercise so much.
Maybe.
You just like on the treadmill.
Yes, because it's fun.
You gotta tell your father when you go back to Canada that, Daddy, I exercise on your treadmill.
And my muscles are big.
Let me see them.
No, they're not.
Oh, be careful.
My muscles are these big.
Let me see. Wow, you are so strong, Zuri.
I can
Zuri,
lift up anything heavy.
Nathan.
let me see. How long you been on this? 7 minutes.
Warm up is 5 minutes.
It's speed.
So she's been out there for 12 minutes.
Okay. Why, Zuri? This is dusty, man. Jamaica dusty bad.
This needs to clean, man.
You can clean it. So after all this time, I don't think nobody used this.
The treadmill?
Yeah, no one does.
So I'm gonna use this all day.
Okay. But we're going somewhere, Zuri.
Where are we going? Tell me, I'm excited.
Well, the road, you know. Alright, go and exercise. No, just burn out your energy.
I thought we were going down by ourselves.
We're going there. But we're gonna stop first. But go and burn your energy, man. You have too much energy. You need to burn off some. Alright? Say peace out, bye. Run, Zuri, run.
Bye.
Run. Yeah?
Wow. Mommy, can you make this go fast?
Yes, we're gonna stop and have something to eat. Although no food there, Auntie
At
Monet.
the restaurant?
As a matter of fact, we're gonna just have something to drink.
At the restaurant?
Yeah.
Mommy, make this faster.
Let
Make
me
it
see how
faster.
I speed it up. Speed.
Speed up, doody doody down,
No, no. End record. End record.
And record. Huh? Come. Doody doody down.
I'm gonna put it on 4 speeds. 4.
What? Seriously, Bob. Ooh.
You gotta put that in.
I put it back in. Sorry about that. Wait. Is it even speed up?
Okay, that's warm up. So I'm gonna skip warm up. I'm prepared to run. Come.
Yes. Mommy, it's just running slowly.
So you want me to put it on
Faster.
5?
Yes, 5. I want you to put it on 5, Mommy.
Wait.
Okay.
No, I think after time it's gonna go up. All right. And
Why did you make it stop again? I want to go speed. Like speed. Like really, really dang, really, really speed dang. When does it start back?
go. Put your feet on it. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
You like that speed?
Yeah. Yeah,
That's your speed?
that's my speed. Mommy, this could even... Mommy, come on, run with me.
I don't want to run with you.
Just for 1 second. Please, Mommy, just for 1 second. 1 second.
All right. Let me run with you. Woo! Oh shit.
What? Yeah. Mommy, I don't know how to...
Zurian, you almost make me break my bones.
Sorry.
Run.
Huh?
Little girl, you don't tired? No,
No.
man. You're your father's child.
I have a lot of energy.
I know, Zuri. And I'm not going on it
Why?
with you because I almost break me.
Try one more time.
Go,
Let
no.
me
You're not drawing me out. Run.
Oh, so it doesn't even feel like that? You
No,
get
sorry.
so weak. You get so weak if you're not exercising.
Oh, Zuri, it's going up. It's speeding up. If you can't run anymore, just pull that string. That's like an emergency brake right there.
Why did you say it's like an emergency brake?
Because when you pull it, the treadmill stop right away.
Okay.
Oh, all right, Zuri. I don't know if you can manage this. Let me know if you can. Can you?
Yes!
You can't.
Turn it off!
No, you told me to turn it up. It takes time to go up. Turn around. Look at me.
That was crazy. Okay, for now I want to do it slowly. I just want to walk. Make it slowly, Mommy. I don't want it to be fast.
Okay, okay.
Make it slowly.
All right. Look up. Look at me. How are you feeling?
Oh, that's so weird.
Look at me. Look at the
That
camera.
was so crazy.
Look, look.
This goes like 5 times fast.
Yeah. It was on fast because she keep telling me too slow. But she don't. She didn't understand that it takes time. No, don't resume it. If you
Resume your run, girl.
okay, okay. So when it starts fast, so she's like, "This is so fast," because like it starts out slow, and when it start pick up, so she complains that it's too slow. When it goes up for 5, she a run up back foot. I have to pull it. But hey, she can start train from now because this child is gonna be an exercise junkie. Yeah, she love exercise because she do better on the treadmill than me.
Junkie, I she.
Because mommy said that and almost broke a bone when it went really fast.
Yeah, we try to watch it. Okay.
Angela, give me some of that.
All right. Gonna go rice some peas. Beg you some, please. Christmas cake or sorrel. For that me we quarrel. On Christmas Day, me no like when it rain. I me like when the place smell like paint.
Mommy, get up. Get up. Wake up.
How want me there? Where you wake me up for?